the doctor that I'm shadowing. I'm really nervous and also excited at the same time. I'm gonna be scrubbing in today, and yeah, I got lost on my way here, but I left super early so I'd have time because I knew I'd get lost. But I'm just chilling right now, so I'll see you guys later.
Hey guys, so I just switched into scrubs. Oh my god, this is so exciting.
So right now I am actually just chilling. I watched my first surgery and it was absolutely so cool. I know I'm talking super low right now because I'm in public, but I'm just doing some homework right now because there's like a little gap before I have anything else to do for the rest of the day. Okay guys, so I just finished my first day of shadowing a physician. I look absolutely crazy because people are staring at me as I'm walking, but I just wanted to let you guys know it was so much fun and I had the greatest experience. So now I'm actually on my way to class. I've been here since 7:30 this morning and I have class now at 11, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay guys, I am in my research lab right now and I'm going to start doing some experimental and behavioral testing. So yeah, I can't really show you guys any of that, but that's why it's super dark in here. And yeah. Okay guys, so I just finished running my experiment that I was running, and I've been running it for about 3.5 hours now. Excuse how tired and greasy I look. I am super tired and greasy. I'm just entering some input right now into a shared Excel sheet that I have with my research group, the data that I just collected. So I'm doing that, and yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. I can show you guys a quick little like glimpse, I guess. Yeah, so I'm just inputting my data for the day.
Okay, so basically all I'm doing here is I'm actually doing some cell counting, and I'm looking at early gene markers that show up in the neurons after a neuron is firing. I'm actually looking at the early gene marker called ARC and Homer, and we're trying to just see, I was just trying to see whether they're in the cytoplasm, whether there's some foci present. Yeah.
It is so windy today, my wig feels like it's gonna fly off, holding on for dear life to my wig. So I'm like literally late for class already, but whatever. It's not the end of the world.
It's just taking Q1, Q2 over R squared, and there's a direction associated with that. You can, okay, remember what I said about the majority of rotated.
So this one basically asks which 2 points have the same potential. I'm assuming it's D, C, and D because they're both equidistant from the point Q on the circle.
And potential energy is dependent on that, so I'm assuming that has to be their answer.
Let's see what happens here.
I was right, it's D. Okay. Oh, I look so crusty. So if you notice a difference in the quality of like camera footage from earlier or throughout this vlog, I'm actually home now and it's like 7:43 p.m. on Thursday. I'm actually gonna make myself some dinner right now. I got home from school about an hour or so ago and I kind of just took a little break. I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make chicken and stuff, but what I've been doing is I actually have an assignment that's due for my research tomorrow. I'll show you guys because these are all published articles by members of my research group. Guys, I'm like... So basically I had to read these published medical journals and like with their statistical analysis and stuff, and like I had to write summaries on them, and so that's like what I was basically doing. So yeah, that's pretty much what I was doing for like the past hour. So like I was chilling because that was like nothing that like requires too much. It's just like reading and understanding what the articles are about, or should I say published journals are about. One of the studies is like, as I said, is like kind of about diet. And so what happens, what I've learned and what I understand is that our body, our brain, as we get older, our body's ability to utilize glucose for metabolization actually decreases with age. And so our brain actually uses, in order for our brain to send signals from one part to the other, it actually uses glucose as a means of energy. That's called glucose signaling. And so in essence, basically in our study, in the study that I was reading up on, they're trying to say or advocate for the ketogenic diet, in which your body doesn't actually use glucose as a source of energy, but instead your body's actually using ketones. And so it's basically saying that with age, your body is still able to go through ketosis. Ketone is not dependent on age. Age doesn't really affect your body's ability to develop ketones and go through ketosis. And they're basically studying this data through rats. So I work with rats pretty much every single day. So when I tell you guys that I just completed an experiment, it's usually because I was working with rats. Last semester I did like blood testing, where I tested blood glucose levels of the rats. I would test the ketone levels. Guys, I'm literally so tired, but yeah, I would test out those levels. So yeah, that's pretty much what my research is about, like a little bit, like that's a very, very, very vague like kind of explanation. I'm gonna go make dinner right now. I was gonna go to the gym, but like it's cold and it's dark outside and none of my friends can go with me and nobody wants to go with me, and I don't like going out by myself late at night when it's dark because it scares me, and I don't think the people have seen you in a long time. Do you want to say hi to everybody? No? You don't want to say hi to anyone today? Oh, you're in a feisty mood. I like the way you're looking. You look cute. So I have all these dishes I have to pack away. And my mom always taught me that before I cook to always like wipe down my counters with a bleach and water solution.
Just putting this out there, my shirt isn't dirty, it's just stained with hair dye because I used this shirt to dye hair.
So if you guys are wondering what I'm doing right now, I just washed my chicken, and I don't make the bowl that I wash the chicken in, I don't make it go on the counter. So I have two bowls that I use. I have one bowl to wash the chicken, and then I have another bowl to season the chicken in. So I'm just taking the chicken out the bowl that it was washed in, transferring it to the bowl it's gonna be seasoned in. I'm running pretty low on salt, but I'm just using some sea salt, fine crystals, a little bit of black pepper, paprika, and all of these seasonings I just pick up in Whole Foods. They're about $4 or $5, I think, so pretty affordable, nothing crazy. A little bit of onion powder and some basil. I like basil, but I don't know, everybody's their own thing. So let's put it together. So we have our chicken, quickly and easily seasoned. Hey guys, so this is my dinner. Some brown rice, a whole bunch of broccoli, and 2 pieces of quickly seasoned chicken breast. So yeah. So in my vision board that I shared with you guys, I said one of the things I wanted to do was meal prep. So like, I don't know, I like when my food's like fresh, so I've just been coming up with meals that are like healthy but super fast to make. So it's pretty much what I'm having for dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and have my dinner, and then I'm gonna study. It's 9:04 right now, so I'm gonna study probably until about 12 or 1, and then go to bed because I have class in the morning. So right now I'm just doing some practice problems to study for class. Of course, I'm doing my favorite class right now. I already talk about physics so much because it's like literally the class I spend the most amount of time studying for, because the senior girl's trying to kick butt this semester. Okay guys, so I actually was just watching over some other vlog footage and I forgot that I didn't really get to tell you guys a lot about my physician shadowing experience. It was really a super duper cool experience. I got to watch my first hysterectomy and I got to watch a completely different surgery. I don't remember what the name of it was called, but I learned like so many different things. And I don't know if you guys know this, but like my dream, like I've always wanted to be an OBGYN. That's always been my like dream physician position. Like it's OBGYN, dermatology, and neurology. Those are my three, like those are like three completely different like fields. So those are like the top three that have always interested me, or the ones that I would always be interested in. And of course everyone always thought that I'd be a plastic surgeon because I love like makeup and stuff, but I don't really think I want to be a plastic surgeon. But yeah, so that's pretty much it right now. I don't know if that's the end of this vlog because I might have some vlog footage tomorrow, but yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. But if it is the end of this vlog, I'll just go ahead and say thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me this week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!